Huwag kakabalog na, penetrate na to yung mind. Para masabtan niya, he needs God. She needs God. Be like Jael, use your influence. Delilah, wow, persuaded Samson. Not just once, twice, thrice. Until he gave his secret away. Tama na mabigay. Ayaw atras o pag-invite o pag-persuade, pag-share sa Ginoo. Ibalibaran ka kausa. Pilti ka Delilah. Katulang, katulog. Until kakonvince si Delilah, yes! Na-consolidate na yun. Di na. Takpo na tani. Di na nawig. Ano man, takpa na. Because our goal is to share the love of Christ. Not manipulating them, but because we know na importante kaya mensahe sa Ginoo. It's a message that brings hope to the lonely, the broken, and the wounded. So we use the influence that we get. As a conqueror, we use our influence. Ang mga kulto magali, grabe maka-influence siya. I tell you, you have an influence. Bisag unsa ka, bisag housewife ka, you have an influence. Like Jael, she's just an ordinary woman. She has influence and she used it for God. Secondly, is the story of Jephthah. Okay? Judges 11:1. And that now Jephthah of Gilead was a great warrior. Wow. But before that, kita nato, again, the Israelites did evil in the Lord's sight. They served the images of Baal and Ashtoreth. And kita nato, ang Ginoo was burned with anger against Israel. Ang pinarestore, rebelde na po sila. The Israelites were in great distress. Again, they cried out to the Lord for help. Awa po sila sa Ginoo. We have sinned against you because you have abandoned you as our God and have served the images of Baal. So they pleaded with the Lord and ingon sila nga, we have sinned. Punish us as you see yourself fit. Only rescue us today from our enemies. And so the Israelites put out their foreign gods. Naginulsol sila. They served the Lord. And He was grieved by their misery. Buhay ang Ginoo. Sige ni mga tawhana, bisag kung sa sila kagahi, bisag kung sa sila katiga, they don't know their situation. We need to penetrate their minds. We need to influence them. And not only with the way we influence them is that we use our God-given, number 2, we use our God-given skill. Jephthah of Gilead was a great warrior. We need to use our God-given skills para pag-influence sila. You have a skill, believe it or not. Ay gasang gihatag ang Ginoo sa imo. So Jephthah, even though makita nato sa story, his mother is a prostitute. He despised siya sa iyahang mga igsuon, and daghan kayo mga gibuhat sa iya. But soon he had a band of worthless rebels following him. He became a great warrior. Now, whatever your context is, sa kung sa paistorya sa 1,000 muha, you have a God-given skill that you can use to help the people of God, to help your friends, to help those na wala kay relasyon diya sa Ginoo. Gamita ang imuhang skill. Amen. Gamita na siya. And so, the people of Israel, they sent for Jephthah. Imo siya nga, come and be our commander. Help us fight the Ammonites. Judges 11, makita nato na ang Ginoo naghatag og kadaugan. So Jephthah led his army against the Ammonites and the Lord gave him victory. Use your skill for God. Si Michael Jordan, he used his skill sa pagkuha sa basketball. He influenced many. Sa una sa panahon ni Michael Jordan, ang mga shorts sa basketball puok ay or half sleeve. Sa high court, tanaw ng divided eight, left and right. Grabe ka mga puok sa ilang mga short. At when Michael Jordan played the ball game, law siyang shorts. And because of his skill, they were influenced. Kaya gusto silang musuon kang Michael Jordan. And so, Michael Jordan, taas ang short, taas po silang short. Makita nato, he changed the mindset sa tuwa sa basketball. Layup si Michael Jordan, tapos gawa sa dila, sila po, damot. Grabe po. Mura po sila mga kabaw, Chicago Bulls. Kasi kung saan nalang buhaton. So daghang kayong mga gibuhat si Michael Jordan, ilahang kinasuon. Sulod si Michael Jordan o Nike shoes, Nike po nilang sapatos. Sanina siya og Hanes po sila. Ang Rip Hanes, Hanes po. Sa Kiss, Kisi. Come on. Michael Jordan used his skill to influence people. Upaw siya, paupaw po sila tanan. How many knows what I'm talking about? Manny Pacquiao, he used his skills in boxing, was able to influence many. Okay? As a student, be skillful. Ang bright na estudyante maka-influence. Now, if dili kayo ka ingunana ka tarong sa pag-eskwela, use your other way of influence. But you still need to influence them. But the thing is, you can excel. Ila raman ang pagtuon. Kinanglan raman ang basahon. Okay? There are subjects nga di kay kakasabot mo na tuon pagayo para masabtan gid mo. Amen. How many of you nag-struggle gihapon mo 5 plus 7? How many of you nag-struggle gihapon 8 times 8? 3 times 3, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. 2 times 2, 64. How many nag-struggle? Wala na siguro nag-struggle na, di ba? Pero sa una, sa elementary pa tayo, nag-struggle na. Pero sige na itong kahibala na, sige na itong gamit na-master na ta. Yung nanarasad na. Nag-struggle ka sa subject, tundi pa kayo. God has given you a skill na makasabot. Whatever, unsan ba nakalisod yung mga lesson, study pa kayo. You don't get excellent because wala ka nag-study. Use your skill. Amen. Okay, skills leads to influence. Your skill will earn you leadership. What are you skillful at? Gamitan na as a common ground with people to build relationship. Maikay kang pingpong? Ha? Use it. Bang! Pag smash niya na, nasa loob na brad. Kung smash na natin mo, love the Lord. Gamita yung skill. Okay? Gamita ang kung sa inaasa yung mga. Use your skill, God-given skill to win them. Diha sa Ginoo. As a conqueror, we use our skill for God. May kay muluto, use that. Influence people. Common, muna kitawag na ito, mga interest groups. Manikama ka, invite mo sa iyong balay. Invite mo. And then share mo and whatever you have, because these people, they need God. You are a conqueror. You have a God-given skill. Like Jephthah, he's a great warrior. And so he used ang iyang pagka-warrior to liberate the people of God from slavery, from the oppression sa mga Ammonites. Gigamit niya. So many people out there, nagpaabot sila someone na mutabang sa ilaha. But then, the problem is, they have been lured, they have been attracted and tempted na mutanaw sa mga skillful na mga walay Ginoo. May mga skillful kayo mga musicians, pero walay Ginoo. And they are influenced by these people. And so, imbis na matabangan sila, mas napariwara ang ilang kinabuhi. Let's use our God-given skill. Kamito na manikamot ka. Kung nagtukar ka, manikamot na mahimot ang skillful. Kung nato sa eskwelahan, manikamot na may mo skillful. Kung nasa may trabaho nimo sa opisina, manikamot na may mo skillful. Use that platform to influence others. Whatever you do in life, you be skillful at it. Because skillful people, like Jephthah, gets to be used by the Lord. Miton dito sa Ginoo. And don't tell me wala kay skills. Naa kay skills. Sometimes, I pretend to have skills para lang ma-win. Ang mga tao, say, ang imong pagka-sigawan baka that can bring an open door. Okay? Kung na yung magpamanicure, wag ka lang na skill. Pinanay mo sige, ako yung manicure din mo. Pero ako yung mabayad din mo, ha? Baka pinanakulaan o ka lang antibiotic. Siyempre na. Use your skill. Gamitan mo ang skill. There's so many opportunities to show and to broadcast your skills sa eskwelahan. Inay! Nasaan ka na? Basilio! Use and si Teacher Aina, mas nakadumdum siya kaysa sa kuha. But I remember myself defending our investigatory project. Ang tulod ay niya ito, si Hilsa Taas nga, di gyapon taas, taman ko. Si Aina, komendador, tulod ay ni. So, gunitan na ko nun ako microphone, medyo ko nun ako ipasa sa ila. I was defending the project niya, ako pagay mo ito. Kaya kung ano ito, kanang tambal ba, panuhot. O para makapautot ka lang sa bark, sa mapitig ka, kasi magnod na ba ito, halog na po niya, ang oil niya. Ako yun niya, ang mga panelists, pumunta na ako nila, how do you know it's effective? Mutawag ko na itong sa ako ikuha. It's because, sir, we have labored hard for this one. Because ay mutubag ito siya later on in life sa mga college mo siya nakita kayo tayo siya. Mutubag magpunta ko ito just na yun siya nga walang side effects ang mga kay natural lagi. Huwag yun, ilugan din ako siya. So, the point being is kita na ako, tungod ato nga skill, dagan kay nagtanaw sa kuha ninyo. Wapo din na siya. Sa'yo na siya ang influence. Although, magamit na na. Pero, kay avenues, mamay mo kang skillful. Kung bright kayo ka sa math, well, that's your opportunity. Bright kayo English, that's your opportunity. Use every opportunity para maka-influence ka. Amen. Use your God-given skill. And lastly, there's this unnamed woman. Wala ginganlan. And this beautiful woman right here is my wife. That's my wife. And sa meeting sa Jesus Waves, she'll catch up to second service. And this woman, si Abimelech followed them to attack the tower, but as he prepared to set fire to the entrance, a woman on the roof dropped a millstone that landed on Abimelech's head and crushed his skull. Now, quickly, the story is, sa di namatay si Gideon, usa sa iyang mga anak, na ulastog kayo, ang iyahang gibuhat, iyahang gi-convince ang iyahang mga pariente na tabangan siya na mapukad ang 70 niya mga half-brothers para siya may nayungari. Ang ingalan sa si Abimelech, no? Kaguntod na sa storya? Okay? So, he killed his 70 sons in one stone. Doon na yung sa mga nakasurvive. To make the long story short, natuman ang propesya atong iyahang iksunod na nakasurvive na ang mga katawhan sa ilang lugar na nagtabang sa iyaha, ni-rebelde diya sa iyaha, so siya rapod, nag-unay ra sila. Katong nagtuboy sa iya may mong hari, i-atake siya po ni-atake. And this time, some people took refuge to attack them sa tower. Itago sila sa tower. So, iyahan ang dauban, sama sa iyang gibuhat, nagidauban niya ang katong sa refuge, yung 1,000 kabuk namatay. Doon na yung sa kababay, katanaw lang from the top. Oy, Abimelech ay wala siyang bato. Bato-bato sa langit, at tamaan, mamatay sana. Bang, buak ang iyahang skull. Grabe. What does that mean? Okay? As a conqueror, we need to use our influence, we need to use our skill, we need to use our God-given position. In other words, we need to position ourselves at the top. That means we need to seek God, draw near to God every day. Use the vantage position you have in God. Because from there, the woman could see, no, this woman, she's not a warrior, she has no sword, wala siya hinagiban na makabukan ng Abimelech. Abimelech is somehow more of a conqueror, daghan siya napatay. And this time, he's attacking the tower. Mga na sila yung mga survivors, nagtago sila sa tower, nagsaka sila sa tower, hindi kasulod sa Abimelech, so nagkuha siya kalayo, iyang kadagkutan. This woman, helpless, but she has no influence, not much skills, pero na siya position at the top of the tower with just a stone. Hulog niya, naigo ang ulo ni Abimelech. That position is your relationship.